Alright, I am in a place called Silver City, Oklahoma. And this place is called the New Friendship Cemetery. And it looks like a very, very old cemetery. It's, I don't know, about 20 miles north of the Drumlight area. Thought it was worth a visit since I was already here. These look extremely weathered. Yeah, here's one. It says 1966. 1899 to 1966. It seems like a lot of the headstones would be actually kind of missing at this point. $1938. Yeah, it's really sad. I wonder what happened to all these headstones. They just... I'm wondering if this was maybe very, very poor people. It's from 1916. Maybe those very, very poor people here, buried here, couldn't afford very much. I'm kind of surprised this is even on the map. It's so, I mean, you drive by this and you wouldn't even notice it was here, really. But somebody's maintaining it to a degree. 1895 to 1950. World War I veteran. Wenford Darden. This one 1938, 1896 to 1938. Maybe these are just eroded so much you just can't read them. How sad. Anyway, that's the New Friendship Cemetery by Silver City, Oklahoma.